wayang. Yeah.
How are you today? Hungry.
From the rice, this one the rice, yeah. If we count from the seed, will be 4 months. When we count start from the transplant the baby rice in the field, so every 3 months. Yeah, because we need to prepare a new baby rice in different place. Yeah, from the seed become this big, we transplant. Okay, or both hands on the top, it's okay. So which one is easier for you? And then please do side by side, go round.
Oh.
Not only in the middle like this, but
Okay.
side by side. We'll do first, please. Coriander seed and garlic. We call this coriander paste. So we use the paste to make sweet fried tempeh. And that one, candle nut or macadamia paste. The basic ingredients, candle nut and garlic also. We use the paste to make mie goreng. Let me show you how to do this. First, start from the hardest ingredients first. Coriander and candle nut. Water. Not too much. That's too much. fry until the palm sugar liquid. Ketchup manis, sweet soy sauce. Next, peanut butter in. Korea?
No.
In US? No. Please add half teaspoon palm sugar. Then you have your own cake. From palm sugar. Hey, oh, it's fine. I mean, don't use this. Sorry. Don't use it. Don't use.
귀엽다. 이거 진짜 송편 같다. 호텔 가는 길 험난하다 진짜. 와.